Meaning of homophobic.
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 Homophobic. The term homophobic refers to a fear, hatred, or prejudice towards individuals who identify as LGBTQ+, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer/questioning, and others. Homophobia can manifest in various ways, including discrimination, violence, and derogatory remarks. It is detrimental to the mental health and well-being of those targeted by it, and can contribute to a culture of oppression and marginalization. Fighting homophobia requires education, empathy, and a willingness to challenge one's own biases and assumptions. By creating a more inclusive society, we can ensure that everyone feels safe and valued, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity.